Where to find Android system intelligence and basically clear out the data that your phone has learned with this Android system intelligence. So if you don't want your phone saving that much information on you all the time, here's where you can go to find this feature, clear it out. This is the Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. To find this setting, use the quick access, and with HyperOS 2, you'll look for the settings toggle like this here and tap on it one time. Now that you're in this area here, you need to go down until you see privacy. So pass all this and you're looking for the one that says privacy, this one right here. So tap on it. And once you're in this section here, you'll go down with all of these here, pass all these, and then you'll see Android System Intelligence. As you select that there, you'll see all this here for Android System Intelligence. And if you're looking to clear the data that your device has been learning, and of course it's going to tell you what it's learning here based on people, apps, and content you interact with. So just go to clear data. And you can do this for the last hour, the last 24 hours, or all the time. Now just keep in mind this is not reversible. So if you decide to clear this out, you just clear it out completely, okay? But of course, if you want to keep your phone as private as possible and not have data saved on you, then you want to do this all the time. Like and sub.